Assalamu alaikum, hi, welcome to Beena's Food Hub. Today I'm making gazebo chicken. This is crispy fried chicken with a delicious sticky spicy coating, so let's begin. You will need 8 chicken leg pieces, 1 teaspoon of malt vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, add vinegar, ginger and garlic paste, juice of half a lemon, red chilli powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Give it a thorough mix. Add in the chicken and ensure every piece of chicken is well coated. Cover and place in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. The ingredients for the batter are 1 cup of cornflour, 1 egg lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and a pinch of baking powder. After 2 hours, place the batter ingredients into the chicken pieces. The egg, paprika powder, baking powder, and cornflour. Mix well and ensure every piece of chicken is well coated with the batter. Now let's fry the chicken pieces. Heat oil in a frying pan and deep fry the chicken pieces on medium heat. Chicken legs normally take 16 minutes to fully cook. Ensure to change the pieces over halfway. Once the coating is golden and the chicken is fully cooked, remove the chicken and place them on a rack to strain excess oil. Now let's prepare the sticky spicy sauce. You will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Heat oil and butter in a pan on low heat. Add ginger and garlic paste, lemon juice, paprika powder, black pepper powder, red chilli powder, chilli flakes, salt, and tomato ketchup. Simmer on low heat, stirring regularly. This sauce takes less than 2 minutes to cook. When the sauce is thick and glossy, add the chicken and leave for 30 seconds. Turn and leave again for a further 30 seconds. Make sure to coat the chicken pieces fully with the sauce. Gazebo chicken is now ready. Serve with rice, chips, or salad. Have a go at making this yourself, and if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.